Okay, so right here I have a Bentley pontoon cover. This is for the Bimini top cover, and I've got a rip in it. Came from the previous owner, so got this patch kit. This is a canvas patch kit, and I've actually already fixed a section down here that had a rip in it. And as you can see right there, just self-adhesive. It goes on there, sticks super well, and fixes that rip that it had right there. Blends in really, really well. This canvas cover is actually dirty, so it needs to be cleaned, but this is the roll of the canvas. I mean, it feels just like a canvas. Might be just a little bit different than what you have, but definitely does the job if you're not wanting to replace and buy a new cover. So you just cut off the section that you need, make sure it's nice and clean, put that down, and it'll cover up any holes or rips or any repairs that you want to make. So let me cut that and put that on there, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've got my section that I'm going to put on there. All you gotta do is just peel this edge off here. Let's see if I can do it with one finger here. And once you peel it, that's what the back looks like, and you just stick it down. And after I put it on, this is what it looks like. Blends in pretty good, but you have to just decide how small of holes that you want to repair, if you want to use a big patch or not. But I might put some smaller patches there, but we just may see. So this is what the back looks like. So sealed up those holes that were there, and this will get the job done. So if you're needing patch repair, canvas patch repair, this is the one for you. I highly recommend definitely pick up a roll of these.